How to fix iMessage activation error on iOS 26. So if you want to fix iMessage activation error on your iOS 26, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, tap on your name, scroll all the way down, and here you will have sign out option. You need to go and sign out of your account. Once you've signed out, you need to go back and then again come to your settings and then sign in. Once you do that, it might solve your problem. But if that doesn't solve your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go back and then open up your control center. From your control center, you need to just turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off. After that, the next thing you need to do is make sure that your internet connection is working. You can check that by opening any browser and then searching for something, or just playing YouTube music or using your social media apps. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. And under settings, you need to scroll down and then go with general. And under general, you need to scroll down again and you need to go with date and time. Under date and time, make sure that your date and time is set to automatically. If it's already set automatically, you need to go and turn it off and then again turn it on. After that is done, you need to go back and then scroll down and you will find an option of language and region. Tap on it. Make sure that your preferred language is set to English language or any other preferred language, and your region is set to the region you are currently residing in. So you should select your own country and see if that works out. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back. And here you need to again go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down and you can find transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on it and then go with reset and reset all of your settings. Once you reset your settings, it will ask you for your password. So just tap on it and then enter your password. And after resetting, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.